How to perform root cause analysis for debugging. Imagine you're trying to fix a stubborn bug that keeps popping up in your software. You know where it appears, but the real question is why it happens in the first place. That's where root cause analysis comes into play. It's like being a detective for your code, hunting down the original source of the problem instead of just patching the surface issue. When you do this right, you prevent the bug from coming back and make your software more reliable. Start by clearly defining the problem. Be specific about what the bug does when it happens and how it impacts your users. For example, instead of saying the application crashes sometimes, say it crashes when saving files larger than 10 megabytes. This helps you focus on the real issue. Next, gather all relevant data. Look at log files that record system events before and during the crash, error messages, stack traces, and user reports. Collecting this information gives you a timeline and context, which is essential for understanding what's going wrong. Then, try to reproduce the bug in a controlled environment. Use testing setups or staging servers to recreate the problem. Reproduction confirms the bug exists and helps you observe its behavior more closely. Once you can reproduce it, analyze the data to list all possible causes. Techniques like asking why repeatedly can help you drill down. For example, if a function fails, ask why it failed, then ask why the input was wrong, and keep going until you find the core reason. After identifying potential causes, verify each one. Test them individually to see if they truly explain the bug. This might involve reviewing the code, running additional tests, or consulting with team members. Validation ensures you're not chasing false leads. If multiple causes are identified, prioritize them based on how much they impact the bug and how easy they are to fix. Focus on the ones that will prevent the problem most effectively. Once you know the root cause, develop a fix that addresses it directly. This could mean changing code, adjusting processes, or adding automated tests to catch similar bugs early. Document your findings and solutions clearly so your team can learn from the experience. After applying the fix, monitor the system to make sure the problem is truly gone. Finally, make root cause analysis a regular part of your debugging workflow. Share your findings with your team during meetings or retrospectives. This way, everyone learns and future bugs can be prevented more efficiently. By following these steps, you move beyond quick patches and build more resilient software. Fixing bugs at their source not only solves the immediate problem but also reduces the chance of it happening again.